Have you ever wondered why stars twinkle? This seemingly simple question opens up a world of complex astrophysics, leading us down a path of understanding light, atmosphere, and the very nature of our universe. Stars twinkle due to an effect called stellar scintillation, which is essentially a fancy way of saying that the light from stars is distorted as it passes through Earth's atmosphere. But to fully appreciate this phenomenon, we need to delve a little deeper. As we know, our planet's atmosphere is not a uniform, smooth layer. It comprises various layers with different densities and temperatures, and it's always in flux, with winds and currents causing constant shifts. When starlight, which has traveled across the vastness of space, finally reaches us, it has to pass through this turbulent, ever-changing atmosphere. Imagine the starlight as a group of marathon runners, all starting at the same point, the star. They've run an incredible distance through the vacuum of space, all in perfect unison, but in the final stretch of the race, they hit a crowd, our atmosphere. The runners, or light waves, get jostled and knocked off course, arriving at the finish line, our eyes, at slightly different times and from slightly different angles. This makes the star appear to twinkle. But why don't planets twinkle? Good question. Planets, being much closer to us than stars, appear larger in the sky. This means the light they reflect is coming from a larger surface area. So even though it's also jostled by the atmosphere, the overall effect is averaged out and we don't see the same twinkling. The study of stars, their behavior, and their light is a cornerstone of astronomy. It allows us to understand not just our own atmosphere, but also the properties of distant stars and galaxies. Astronomers can study the light from stars to determine their composition, temperature, and speed, among other things. It's a shining testament to the power of human curiosity and the vast potential of scientific exploration. So next time when you gaze up at the night sky and see the stars twinkling, know that it's not just a beautiful sight. It's a real-time demonstration of the laws of physics, the nature of our atmosphere, and the vast distances that separate us from the rest of the universe. Remember, knowledge doesn't just illuminate the mind, it lights up the world. If this piqued your curiosity, don't stop here. Dive deeper, ask more questions, seek more answers. Because the universe is a big place and there's always more to learn. Explore more, know more,